One star isn't the problem. Silence is. When people see a negative comment and no response, they assume it's true, and they assume you don't care. Reputation management is the system that keeps you visible, credible, and chosen, even when competitors are louder online. First, set up social mentions monitoring. You want alerts when your business name pops up on social media and other channels, so you can respond quickly. Second, practice online PR management. Share short stories that prove your value, before-after photos, customer shout-outs, and community involvement. Third, more of the good, less of the bad means building a library of positive content that ranks and gets shared. Over time, that pushes down unflattering references in search results. Fourth, don't just react. Proactively manage your social presence. Ask for feedback, reply to comments, and invite conversation. The goal is a steady stream of engagement around your business objectives, bookings, calls, and store visits. If there's truly harmful content, use negative content filtering and pursue removal when appropriate, paired with proven software and techniques that evaluate your current situation and recommend next steps.